prices keeps on continuing that momentum that we have been seeing so far. And that is certainly a very positive signs coming up from the markets that we have been seeing, because prices has been facing some hard times trying to break out higher and higher. And certainly once prices breaks out, we are seeing that price movement has been very positive, and we're also seeing good chances for the silver prices to return towards the $36.85 area, or towards the $36.85 to $36.90. And we are expecting on the near term, $37 could be a very near profit target for you guys if you guys are paying closer attention, because so far the price movement has been very positive. We are seeing good signs that prices has built up the runway for silver prices to continue to go higher, short-term or even long-term market movement, guys, because overall we are seeing only positive signs appearing on the silver market. Because if you're switching back towards the longer term, you can actually see that very clearly, that silver market movement has been able to break out higher, $33, and immediate prices just broke out higher in one single day through 5% gain. And afterwards, we started to see that prices has already been going higher and higher with no stopping down and slowing down, as prices consolidates at $34.40 area and break through another high at $35.60, $36, and right now we are very close towards $37 for our next price target, as well as its closest resistance for silver price. But overall, the sentiments that we are watching is very positive. We are going to see better and clearer market movements happening on the silver market, especially after going through what I would say a very big drop on the silver market, because you guys are watching carefully that overall the market movement has been a little bit disruptive. By the Liberation Day on the 2nd of April, prices have already been dropping a lot, a total of 12%, rebounded pretty quick over the next 2 weeks. And afterwards, we started to see the consolidations for quite some times before going back stronger as the ones that we have been seeing. Building up very good consolidations and the cup handle formations also possible here. And we started to see that prices has already been going up higher with no stopping down or slowing down for now on the longer term market. And I'm expecting that prices could be hitting $40 on the long term. So we'll see how that goes. Personally, I feel very much optimistic to seek that development, because a lot of things are happening, and certainly bullishness is one of the things that we have been looking and watching very closely with how things has been moving along the market over the last few weeks. Okay, so if we are back towards the short-term bullish, long-term bullish, I don't know if you guys are still being bearish on the market, because certainly this is not the right time to do some shorts on the silver market with how positive the market movement has been going through on the market. And with all of the talks happening, it seems that silver market isn't disrupted by the geopolitical tensions around the world, trade talks, trade deals, and so far we have been seeing that silver market has been moving a little bit slower compared to gold. And I think this is the time where we could start to see that silver will start to outperform the gold market this part of the second half of this year, with how the bullishness and the momentum that has been ongoing on the silver market too. So I think it's been very clear that silver market over the last few weeks, especially this month,